down, I know you got me, baby.
Hey, Billiard. I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new guap.
Excuse me, sir. I'm looking for the train station. Will you please point me in the right direction?
Step 1, from here, walk straight and ahead until you reach the traffic light. Step 2, at the traffic light, turn right and turn right for about 500 traffic. Step 3, the station will be on your left.
Thank you so much for your help. Really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip. Okay. Mastering the present perfect tense. This presentation explored the present perfect tense in English grammar. Next. What is the present perfect tense? The present perfect tense describes action that began in the past and continues to the present, or action that happened in the past with consequence in the present. It often focuses on the result or experience of the action, rather than the specific time it happened. For example, I have lived in New York for 5 years. Next, forming the present perfect tense. Number 1, use the auxiliary. Use the number 1. Use the auxiliary verb have or has. For example, I have eaten, she has seen. Number 2, use the past participle of the main verb. For example, eaten, seen, written. Number 3, combine the auxiliary verb and the past participle. For example, I have eaten, she has seen, they have written. Next. Use of the present perfect tense. Example, experience. To describe action completed in the past then have a connection to the present. For example, I have traveled to many countries. Result. To emphasize the result of a past action. For example, I have finished my homework. Duration. To express action that start in the past and continues until the present. For example, she has lived in London since 2050. Key difference: present perfect versus simple past. Simple past focus on an action that happened at a specific time in the past. Present perfect focus on an action that happened in the past and has a connection to the present. Common mistakes with the present perfect. Using the wrong auxiliary verb, e.g., I have gone, instead of I have gone. Using the present, number 2, incorrect past participle, e.g., I have one instead of I have a gun. Number 3, using the present perfect of action that are completed, finished in the past. Next, adverb use with the present perfect. Number 2, already. Used to emphasize that an action has been completed. Number 2, just. Used to indicate that an action has recently happened. Yet use the X something suggesting that is action. Next, practice expresses. Number 2, I fill the blanks with the present perfect tense of the verb given. Number 2, write sentence using the present perfect tense to describe your experience. Number 3, correct the mistakes in the following sentences. Next, conclusion. Mastering the present perfect. Number 2, practice regularly. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Number 2, read widely. Pay attention to how the present perfect is used in every language. Number 3, see feedback. As a teacher or tutor to review Europe. Next,